Hi, this is Lego Studios 9083, obviously, and today I got another custom model review. This is on a custom non-color schemed farm truck. Just an overview. This fits one minifigure. Alright, as you can see, there are a bunch of different colors. Here's the front. It's got two little headlights right there and a grill piece. The back, it's got a little towing thing. There's the inside, the steering wheel, and these things are supposed to be mirrors. I had no other piece, don't blame me. Alright, so, see what we got. Here's the windshield. It's connected by that piece. These are pieces that are like right angles, and these flat pieces cover it just to make it look higher. And that just fits on there. There's the hood piece. There's all of this under here. This is going to be a very short review, I can tell. And what's handy here in the back, oh my god, yeah, there's a trunk right here. This space got almost 2x3 space. There's a little seat end, and it's got no dashboard or anything, but there. It's also got these Lego Racers wheels. Now let's put a minifigure in it. There we are. This has to be the shortest custom review we've made.